you know English grammar? But you still cannot speak English. You understand English perfectly. But your mouth, it stays silent. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. You are not alone. Hi there. I'm Lily from Flex Your English. Welcome to our channel. Today we will fix this problem together with 5 simple daily habits. You do not need more grammar books. No. You just need better daily habits. These habits will easily improve your English speaking if you practice them every day. All right, let's begin. Habit number 1. Shadowing. Shadowing is honestly one of the fastest ways to improve speaking. Listen to one short English sentence and then repeat it immediately. Copy the pronunciation, copy the rhythm, and copy the emotion. Don't worry about mistakes. Your only goal is to sound similar. Start with short videos. Podcasts also work really well. Just practice for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Trust me. Small practice creates big results. Habit number 2. Think in English. Stop translating every thought in your head. Train your brain to think directly in English. Start with very easy ideas, like, I am making coffee. The weather is nice. Or, I need to answer this email. Describe your daily actions. Describe the people around you. Describe your plans. Slowly, your thoughts will become faster, and then your speaking will also become faster. Habit number 3. Listen to English every single day. Listening builds your speaking skills. The more you hear English, the more natural it becomes. Choose content you actually enjoy. Listen to podcasts. Watch YouTube videos. Watch interviews. Listen while walking. Listen while cooking, or even while traveling. Don't worry if you miss some words. Just focus on understanding the main idea. Your brain learns through repetition, and daily listening makes speaking so much easier. Habit number 4. Mirror talk. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself, and just speak for 1 minute. Talk about your day. Talk about your goals. Talk about your favorite movie or your weekend. Oh, and smile while speaking. Speak clearly, and please, do not stop after every mistake. Just keep talking. Confidence grows through practice, and that mirror, it becomes your safe speaking partner. Habit number 5. Learn phrases. Stop memorizing single words. Instead, learn complete phrases. For example, instead of just learning the word hungry, learn, I'm really hungry. Instead of learning agree, learn, I completely agree. Instead of learning busy, learn, I'm a little busy right now. Native speakers always use phrases, and you should too. Your speech will sound more natural, you will speak faster, and you will think less. Now, let's do a quick review. Shadow every day. Think in English. Listen every day. Practice mirror talk. And learn useful phrases. These habits are simple, right? But they are incredibly powerful. You do not need hours of study. You only need consistency. 10 to 20 minutes every day is more than enough. Remember this, fluent English is not built in one day. It is built every single day, one habit at a time, one conversation at a time, and one sentence at a time. So, which habit will you start today? Write your answer in the comments below. I would really love to know. And if this video helped you, please subscribe to Flex Your English. Join us for simple lessons that make English easier. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking. See you in the next video.